The government will be installing ramps in 146 schools across Jamaica to facilitate access to the ground floors. The building of wheelchair ramps at public schools was one of the national areas of focus for Labour Day today under the theme Ramp It Up, Fix It Up. TVJ's Shamela Mitchell reports.
Data from the National Education Trust, which is the implementing entity for the project to install ramps in schools, indicate that of Jamaica's 971 public infant, primary and high schools and over 2,000 early childhood institutions, only 138 primary and high schools are fitted with ramps. This is why the government decided to allocate $50 million for institutions to be equipped with the amenities for the 2018-2019 financial year. Under the theme Ramp It Up, Fix It Up, two parishes, St. Anne and St. Catherine, were selected to kick off the launch for this year's National Labour Day projects. But according to Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Olivia Babsy-Grange, health and education are the primary focus.
One of the projects for national focus is the Cumberland Health Clinic on Brunswick Avenue in Spanish Town, where we are fixing it up. The other focus is putting ramps into schools primarily, but we're also putting ramps into other facilities, like we will be installing a ramp here at the health center.
For years, members of the disabled community, in particular wheelchair users, have complained about the inaccessibility of some government agencies and schools. But on Wednesday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness said the government had decided to take steps in addressing the issue.
We are going to be putting in 146 ramps, I believe, in primary schools right across Jamaica. That may not be enough, but it is a start. And this year, we're going to do 146 this year. And I would encourage all Jamaicans to give towards putting in ramps. You could do it for your old school.
Opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips welcomed the focus, pointing out that the disabled community deserve to live in comfort like all other Jamaicans.
What it symbolizes most of all is that members of this community every day, over many years and still today and long into the future, make their contribution to the well-being of Jamaican society, and we must pay tribute to them because they are full-fledged members and not second-class citizens in any way in this country.
Meanwhile, at the St. Anne's Bay Infant School in St. Anne, Education Minister Senator Ruel Reid said his ministry will not stop until all schools are accessible to disabled persons.
We have to target all our children, including those who have special needs, those who otherwise are at home and can't find an educational facility.
Meanwhile, the Combined Disability Association and Senator Floyd Morris, who is himself visually impaired, are pleased.
What we are seeing here is government responding to the needs of the citizens, and the motion which was tabled in the Senate and passed and approved is now being implemented, and I'm really happy that we are making sure that all the schools ultimately will become accessible to the population.
Being a wheelchair user myself, that means I'll be able to access more buildings, especially schools and health centers. Before, when persons are tilting you up, accidents do happen at times, so to know that you will be able to roll in more safer, then of course I give it all my support.
Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.